So here is an example of an interior car part that we developed especially for a customer. Before, the fibers were not visible, they were never meant to be seen, and now we really want to highlight them. The fibers or the fillers, depending on the products, have become a real design signature. Developing more sustainable material for the automotive industry is a meaningful job. It really makes sense to me to come every day to work. I went to engineering school and I did several internships in automotive and aeronautics sector. And then in 2019, after successfully completing my PhD in material science, I started my career as R&D engineer in aeronautics. In late 2022, Forvia approached me with an opportunity, and what motivated me, above all, is to contribute to the decarbonization of the automotive industry. At Forvia, I joined a new entity called Materiact, whose mission is to reduce the carbon footprint of car parts by using recycled material as well as bio-based material. You can see all the different deco effects that we can reach with an Affiliate Vision product. Here at Materiact, I am part of the engineering team. Since 2025, I am now in charge of the development of new grades for visible interior car parts with visible fibers or fillers. In this case, it is both about aesthetics and material performance, which makes it so interesting. You can see here some examples of the raw materials that we use. So here you have different recycled plastic for various origins. And we also use natural fiber. For example, here you have the pineapple fiber, and here you have hemp, but it's not limited to those. We also use oyster, we also use reed, for example, or vine shoot. They are undervalued materials that we are really proud to give a new life to. What makes this work so rich, beyond the variety of material and the highly technical side, is that we are in direct contact with customers, each of whom has its specific requirements. At Materiact, we also harness artificial intelligence to accelerate the development of new grades by predicting formulation or optimizing properties faster. To do this job, you need to be rigorous, agile, and have strong interpersonal skills because you need to work with very diverse people. Being at Materiact is a great opportunity. The atmosphere here is great. There's a real positive energy and a lot of mutual support across teams. Most importantly, we are all committed to developing more sustainable solutions.